Alright, we're going to show off 3 different kinds of cutters today. We got 3 PEX cutters that I personally really like myself. I really can't choose between the 3, but if you want to look at the cut, we're going to show a quick demonstration and talk about each one. So this is the Sharkbite one. Sharkbite one is pretty smooth, has a heavier handle. It actually feels more ergonomic, I would say. And our second one that has a great sound to it when you cut would be the Ridgid ones. Ridgid ones are awesome because if you listen to the sound here, it always has a snipping sound and it's actually pretty smooth. Actually, I would say even though it has more of a plastic kind of feel, the cut is actually a lot smoother feeling than the other 2 when you cut. Milwaukee's a little bit more rigid feel, but over time, even if you turn and everything, you sometimes don't get the straightest cuts. I don't know if it's me, but I've had that issue here and there. But that's the difference between all 3 of these cutters. They're blades. So their blades are different, but if we bring the cameras closer, you can see that each one has a different blade. Sharkbite is pretty similar to the Milwaukee one, where they have a roundish cutter, but it comes in at an angle to kind of bite down on the pipe, whereas the Ridgid one has a flat blade that's able to just come down on it. So far I feel like the Ridgid one has been cutting a lot smoother, and I guess the guys do like the Ridgid one more, but these other 2 choices are not bad as well. So depending on which brand you like and which brand you want to buy, all are good choices.